My name is Jordan Andre Omar Reynolds, formerly known as Pt1 or the 88.
Hi, Dwayne Austin Machine Reynolds, aka Sinister, aka one bugger name.
Cool. So TWINSound, I've been hearing about it on social media and it's very popular on campus. So can you give me a little more about what TWINSound is all about?
Well, TWINSound is the name of our DJ conglomerate, and basically, alright, how we got the name is kind of weird because it's like one day we went to the show and somebody asked me, are you guys twins? And I said yes. So the name twin comes. So after that, randomly on Twitter, this girl asked me what twin means. So I think we're supposed to give her some quick response. And I'm like, the West Indian sound. And she said, really? And then we just stick on from there. So TWINSound.
Alright. So know that it's a DJ conglomerate. So what exactly do you do?
It's like it would be kind of limiting it if we name it as a sound, but it's like a bit more. It's like instead of like just DJs, it's like or producers too. So it's like our DJing at the first place wasn't like DJing. It was more like there's a musical experience with it.
Alright.
So it's both production and DJing.
Alright, so describe the sound that you have when it comes on to production and DJing.
Specifically still. It's like my sound,
Different, way different.
Alright, so you describe your sound.
Basically, my sound, the 88 is like the perfect merge between like modern trap and like dancehall.
Love it.
So it's a great crossover genre. It's probably new to, cause like if it's not my beat, it probably won't sound like that. Cause it's like specific techniques we use to get like the music to sound like that.
Well, this is my 8 everything, but not this. But anyway, my style is more, I think it's almost like a randomness thing. I love to add random songs and get it mixed in. Because remember, it's still a trap at the end of the day. Love trap.
So that means you're mostly catering for hip hop artists or dancehall artists as well?
No, we have no limits. If you want to do scoreboarding for your video game, we can scoreboard your video game. If you want to make an orchestral arrangement for you, we can make an orchestral arrangement.
So have you worked with anyone as yet?
Yes, we have done a lot of work with Chavez, Matic, Page, Chavo. Chavo does, I'm saying that he's Chike. Like right now, we try to limit ourselves to like the people who are around us. Cause like it's like when it's like our style. It's not everybody like can just adapt to it as quick as possible because it's kind of new and it's too fast for some people sometimes.
True. So you have recent projects and a recent product?
Well, you can look out for my Ever Blessed remix soon on SoundCloud. You can check it out at TWINSound page on SoundCloud.
So that's one of your planned projects, but I'm talking about like where social media is concerned, if you have anything on social media.
Yes, just like most of our stuff that we uploaded already is on our SoundCloud page, so you can just check our SoundCloud page.